Hang tough, the art of perseverance in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a very interesting English phrase, hang tough. If you're curious about what it means to hang tough in different contexts, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and expand your English vocabulary together. The phrase, hang tough, is an informal expression that means to remain resolute or firm, even when things are difficult. It's about showing determination and not giving up in the face of adversity. When someone tells you to hang tough, they're encouraging you to stay strong and to endure through any challenges that come your way. Interestingly, the phrase, hang tough, can be traced back to American English. It's believed to have gained popularity in the late 20th century. The word, hang, in this phrase might make you think of holding on to something tightly, and that's a good way to remember this idiom. It's like saying, hold on tightly and don't let go, even though it's tough. Now, let's see how to use hang tough in different sentences. 1. In personal encouragement. I know your training for the marathon is exhausting, but hang tough. It will be worth it on the race day. 2. In sports commentary. The team is down by 10 points, but they're hanging tough and not letting the gap widen. 3. In work or school. When the workload seems overwhelming, you've got to hang tough and keep pushing through. These examples show that hang tough can be used in various situations where perseverance is key. It's important to know that hang tough is often used in a casual or motivational setting. You might hear it in sports, during coaching, or in motivational speeches. It's less likely to be used in formal contexts. Also, this phrase is quite popular in American movies, TV shows, and songs, which has helped spread its usage globally. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the phrase, hang tough. Remember, learning a language is also about hanging tough through the challenges of understanding and using new expressions. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and listening skills. Keep practicing, hang tough, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye, and keep learning.